wanted to film this video after walking the dogs. Are you wet? Do I regret that? A little bit. I would like to call this look drenched dog chic. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're newer, hi. As you probably can tell, I'm wearing my sweatpants and a normal simple shirt. Why? Because it's quarantine time. I don't really feel the need to dress up because I'm already gonna be doing that. So without any further ado, I want to show you guys what I got from SHEIN. This is my first time shopping there, so I'm gonna be brutally honest. I'm gonna say what's on my mind and show you everything that I got. So I want to start by something that I didn't order for myself, but for a friend. And that is this beautiful, cute little dress. And it's like this. Even though this really feels like, I don't know, like a curtain type of thingy. Like the type of fabric I used to dress up in as a little kid. But I still think it's really cute, especially for like pictures and all that. And it's a little bit see-through, but I feel like if you wear a fancy underneath, it's not gonna bother. And as I said, I'm so thick for this. It's a size too small for me, but I did want to show it to you guys because I think it's so freaking cute. It's a little itchy, but I feel like if you wear something underneath, you're not even gonna notice. So it is nice and flowy, and it's less warm than I suspected. But then again, it was raining, so what do I know? And yeah, let's just not bother the back because it's too small for me. Then another thing that I got, another dress, is this tube styled dress. And this material kind of feels like normal cotton. I don't know if I say that correctly, but this feels like kind of the same fabric as I'm wearing right now as a top. Pretty basic, but still cute. So I think of all the outfits that I got, I feel like this is the one that feels like a second skin almost. Like it's so light, you barely notice that you have anything on. And it's so comfortable. It doesn't slid down, it doesn't go up. The only thing that slides down is my bra. But it's pretty basic, that's why. So I didn't really have any accessories to dress up my dresses with, and I think this thing is just so freaking cute. And it has a little, yeah, like a coin type of thing. And I have a coin necklace that I wear almost every single day. So I feel like that goes with my whole style, with my mood, whatever you want to call it. So, and the best thing is you can just choose whatever size you want it to be, because you can just put it in every freaking hole. So you can be as tiny as your middle finger and it will still fit you. So, and also with this one, you're going to be a little careful what kind of underwear you wear, because you can probably see my Ghostbusters underwear. But so the next thing that I got is something that I actually wore this weekend when it wasn't raining. This is a type of material where if you're playing with fire, this is going to burn really quickly. So it does feel a little, I don't know, cheapish. But I honestly don't even mind. So, and I like to tie this around in a bow, kind of like that-ish. And then with it is a crop top, a tube top that is covered in dog hair. Dog mom life. Even though there's no line or rubber or whatever it is on there, it doesn't go down. I don't know, I think it's really simple yet cute thanks to the little bow structure that is on here. And the fact that I never expected this to look so cute. And it's actually not that see-through, otherwise someone already should have said something, I hope. It's really easy, and as I said, the top doesn't come down. The pants don't go up unless there's wind, so gotta be careful with that. All their stuff comes in this cute little Ziploc bag. Like, this is really handy. Like, I'm gonna keep onto these things for when I go swimming or whatever. So the next thing that I got, hi baby boy, is this really long tube styled dress. And it's a nice baby pinkish color, and it has a nice flowy thing around the twins. And even though like this still, it also feels like kind of a cheaper fabric. So this dress is super cute, it is super tight. The only thing that bothers me a little bit is that it's see-through, and you can probably see my underwear right now. And I love how flowy the top is. And the next thing that I have is this jumper. And again, the same with the shorts that I showed you earlier. These ones, like this part, it kind of feels like the material is gonna burst up in flames really quickly. So better not use a barbecue or fireworks when you're wearing this. And this is like, I don't know, I have a thing from my grandma that she hooked on my bed. I kind of feel like this is the same idea. And then behind it all is a silky kind of material, so that it's less see-through, I guess. So it's a little short on my behind, but if I don't bend over, I should be fine. And also on the side, like, what is this? Why are you here? That's not gonna stop me from wearing this thing. And also, as you can tell, probably the bra, but you know what? It doesn't bother me. And then with taking it off, it's kind of like a struggle, because let me show you the back. You have to like over, and then again, you can also wear it like this if you want to, but yeah. So then another thing that I got that is not clothing, I don't even know if I can show you guys. Okay, so this is the sticker for the stairs. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a little while, you will know that I did most of the stairs, like painting the walls, painting the stairs and all that. It's gonna end up looking like this. I just saw this sticker and I thought it was so freaking cute, and just a little, I don't know, a little more for the stairs. And I'm so excited to just put it up there without him knowing and see how long it takes for him to realize that I put it on there. So it's not from this website. I don't even know what website this was from, but I still feel the need to show you guys. And then again, this fabric is like the fabric that's gonna burn easily. So even though like this is a more expensive brand, I honestly don't even know where my grandma shops, but this was more expensive, but it feels like, it kind of feels the same as the pants and all, but thicker, way thicker. I freaking love them. I'm obsessed. I love the glitter down the side. I love the way it fits. And I also, if I'm being honest, I love it with the tube top that I got with our shorts. Like, it's so freaking cute. And as I said, I can eat with Christmas. Like, I can eat so much. And last but not least, I got another set. So it's this top, cute crop top. And in the top, I didn't even know that, like, the V has the same material that is in a bra to make it go that shape. So whatever you do, you're gonna be holding that V. So that is amazing. I love that they thought about that. And it's not really see-through. And with the top is a skirt. So I don't know, I love the color. I don't really have any matching sets. So I just wanted to go for it, and I love it, and I'm obsessed, and yeah. So with this thing, I should definitely wear different underwear and not my Ghostbusters underwear, because you can see the lining of everything. Like, really good. You can also see that I ate a little bit too much, but so I never had anything like this, and I love it. It's like super comfortable. I do feel like if you would wear this like out in the sun or whatever, it is gonna be sweaty material. So yeah, and thanks to this little V lining in there with the bra equipment, I don't know what to call it, it is gonna stay up so it doesn't show what you had in there. So that's really cute, and yeah, I freaking love it. So that is everything that I got from SHEIN. I honestly kind of expected some materials to feel cheaper, because we gotta be honest with ourselves, it is really freaking cheap. I'm certainly not expecting it to feel like a Chanel or Gucci material, but I honestly, the material doesn't bother me. I think it's cute. I love it. So yeah. And that is all that I got from SHEIN. Plus this one thing my grandma got me. Crazy girl. So I personally love everything that I got, but if quality and the way the fabric feels is really important to you, then I do not recommend buying from SHEIN. Like, it really depends on what you get. So if quality of clothing is something that you really appreciate, I either highly recommend really looking like what you're ordering or not ordering from SHEIN. But then again, if you're like me, you're just like, oh my god, it's cute and it's comfortable, like it doesn't feel like I'm dying and I'm wearing razor blades, then yeah, I would highly recommend buying from SHEIN, because it's cheap, it is pretty nice, it looks good. So yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my face more often. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye! And you could probably tell how long this video took to make because we're both pretty dried up already. Bye!